Hi, Jai Reid, O'Brien Real Estate. Have you been looking for that perfect renovator, but all the homes you've been seeing has had some of the work done? Well, 5 Shearwater Court is the perfect home for you. This property has huge potential returns for investors, renovators and first home buyers alike. Not only is this home positioned on 532 square metres or in a quiet family-friendly court, most of all, you are less than 2 kilometres to the ever popular Mornington Main Street and Marina. The double-storey layout provides the scope to design and create your own 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-living area home. This strong and sturdy brick home was built by A.V. Jennings to last. Now is your chance to add the value. Opportunities like this don't come often.